Welcome to Tales by Green Wolf, episode number 22, which means we are in our 11th week. Thank you so much for your love, support and encouragement on my YouTube channel, my Facebook and my Instagram account. Guess what? Yesterday I was reading this book which belongs to my son and I couldn't find a bookmark next to me. Now I don't know which page I stopped reading. So I thought, why not show you how to make an extremely easy peasy bookmark today? Are you ready? Let me take you through the supplies. All you need is colored paper. You can use any kind of paper, origami paper, printed sheets, anything which is easy to fold. And today I think I'm going to use the yellow one. Why yellow one? Well, just like that. So to start with, we are going to fold this corner up to this corner, just like this. Just like this. And now, you have to fold this corner to this point and this corner to this point, like this, and on the other side we go like this. See to it that your crease is very clean, otherwise your bookmark will not fit properly in your book. So once you fold them, they will look like this. Open it up and take this one end and bring it right to the center here. And once you do that, it should look like this. Now we are going to fold one side of the paper and tuck it right inside. Like this. And we are going to do the same to the other end. Fold it and tuck it right inside. When you are folding the second end, be very careful and see to it that it gets folded very neatly inside the sheet. It can be a little tedious, but being small little tiny fingers that you have should be easy. And once you do that, it's going to look like this. And guess what? Your bookmark is ready. And how do you put it in the book? It's just like this. But this being a pirate theme, I cannot be showing you a bookmark so easy, can I? So I'm going to put a small picture that I have drawn of a pirate girl. The link to this picture is there in the description below. I'm going to color and cut this girl, and let's see what we can do next. And I have finished coloring and cutting my little pirate girl. I'm going to paste her right on top here with a little glue. Are we ready? So I'm going to put a little glue on the pirate girl, just a little. And I'm going to paste her right here on my bookmark. Once you paste, your bookmark is going to look like this. And now we can put it in our books. And it's going to look like this. Did you enjoy making your pirate bookmark today? Well, if you remember, this has been inspired from the book called The Pirate Boy, written by Bunting, and illustrations have been done by Julie Fortenberry. I have put a pirate girl. You can put a picture of a pirate boy or a pirate ship, or the ship wheel, the anchor, treasure map, the pirate flag, and many other things. I hope you enjoyed making your bookmark today. Bye.